Jump on in, the mud's fine. Heck yeah!
What's up, everybody? Back again today with the second X3 enclosure, courtesy of Kemimoto. They finally got me that second one reshipped, and it's here at the house. We're gonna open it up and see what we're looking like. Once again, completing the journey of dreams. Now, the box did have a little bit of damage from shipping, so I'm really hoping that everything's okay. But it does look packaged very well, so. What we got here? We got some little metal brackets, some foam insulation tape, lots and lots of nuts and bolts. And it's looking like a bunch more brackets. I'm definitely starting to think that this one's going to be a lot more involved than putting the soft enclosure on, but I think it's going to be worth it. We're going to see. Go ahead and get all this unboxed and laid out, see if we can find some instructions. All right, so we found the other installation product manual, and we verified we have all the right parts on here. So there's a lot of the same stuff as the other one. You know, routinely clean and lubricate the zipper. You should use this with a front and rear windshield and a roof. So it looks like to start, you have to open the zipper, place the frame inside, and then zip it up. Stick the illustrated hook and loop tapes very firmly. For the back, they've given you some extra brackets, and for the front, they've given you some extra brackets. That's pretty cool.
Daddy, so much brackets in your hat.
Go! Are you just videoing my hat, girl?
When I'm videoing your face.
Oh, goodness. Yeah, you can see we're going to have to add some brackets in the front. You can see we're going to have to add some brackets in the rear to support these things.
What? I didn't realize there was 2 pieces.
Yeah,
oh my
that's pretty cool. It does show that there's 2 different ways of installing the mirrors. One of them you can bolt it directly onto the bracket, and the other one you can go through the bracket.
I do really like riding Lego cars. And I like doing it in especially fast mode.
So the first thing I'm putting on is these little mirror brackets. They had a blank plate right there. You know, if you didn't have mirrors on your machine. So let's see how it lines up with where they currently are. Look at that.
Look at that. That fits perfectly.
That's what I'm saying. But yeah, it's just going to use the factory bolt right here. And then a strap around that top part to hold her tight. Got the first bracket put on right there. You can see super, super sturdy. And all it is one bolt right here. And then this one Velcro strip. About to go throw the other side on. Get this project rolling. Would you look at that? Perfect seamless fitment on that thing. I love it. Well, I guess now that we got all excited and skipped to the back and installed the corners first, we're going to go ahead and start following the instructions, which tell you to put the soft door panel on the frame. You can see it's going to be real easy. You just unzip one zipper, and then there's going to be a couple Velcro straps, and it even shows you which type of door frame works with which one. So you got right here, I already unzipped this one zipper, unvelcroed these 2 little Velcro pieces, and about to go grab a door frame. Easy as pie, guys. Just unzip zipper, add frame, zipper back up, and then a couple pieces of Velcro. I got all these doors completely assembled, ready to go with the frames inside of them. Now all that's left to do is mount up those brackets and then mount the doors onto the brackets, onto the machine. There it is, everybody. First bracket installed. I will say I had to do a little bit of custom modification because I have door struts. Those aren't a factory option, so there's no way they could have accounted for that, but I did have to cut out some of this bracing here so I could bolt that in and drill one hole through it. Not a big deal. It's Got more bracing added just from having that bracket on there. And it's looking like it's going to be really easy to bolt on that door. Looks like it's just going to be these 4 here and then maybe one other bracket. But yeah, we're going to go ahead and get the other brackets installed and then get these doors mounted up. See what she rides like. Got all the brackets mounted up, about to bolt the doors on. You can see 1 bracket, 2 bracket, same shenanigans on the other side. Let's go ahead and grab a couple bolts. Grab a door and see what we're working with here. Would you look at that? I don't even have a bolt in it. I'm kind of half holding it with one hand. Such a good fit, it's staying up by itself. There it is, folks. Now I don't have them snug down yet, but it does have, you know, forward and backward adjustment where you can slide the whole thing forward, slide the whole thing backward to line up. Let's go ahead and shut this. See how we like where it's at? Not too shabby. Not too shabby. I'm really liking the look of these hard frame doors. Yeah, I think that's going to seal and feel and ride a whole lot better than the soft ones. You can got a little pad here. Would you look at that? Look at it. To block that air gap right there, they even thought about that. Now I have to make the difficult life decision if I am in fact going to stick it down the way they should on my wrap. Overall, super impressed with this so far. I'm gonna go ahead and slap on the other 3 doors, get everything adjusted, and it'll be time to go for a ride. I'm actually super happy with the fitment, super happy with the seals on it. I mean, it don't get much better than this as far as temporary doors, because you know, during the summer I like riding with doors and I like riding without an enclosure. And I think after I spent all this time getting it set up, all I'm gonna have to do to take these off during the summertime is literally 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you spend your initial hour and a half getting everything put on and set up, it's super easy to take them on and off whenever you want. And I love that. Absolutely love it about it. I am so stoked to take this thing out and ride. I'm going to see if the wife and the kid want to come with again. Maybe we'll actually hit a little bit of trails, get some shots from outside of the vehicle so you can see it. Super stoked about it. About to go to put her to the test.
Oh, these are nicer. Not that the other ones weren't nice, but like these are.
Ooh, Daddy!
What's up, girls?
Hi.
Hi.
There was a deer in the front yard.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
But it was a baby. It was a kid.
It was just a baby.
It was a little baby. It was like a teenager just trying to explore.
Oh,
Oh,
we
never.
wouldn't go without you.
Hop on up here, Twyla. Oh God.
Easy peasy.
Wow. Yeah, I like these a lot.
Yeah, me too. I like these a lot
I
better.
like the way it looks too.
So there's one thing, like this snap thing that I've been using, but we're going to see how she rides.
All right, let's do it.
Can y'all hold the camera?
Of course.
How's it going?
It's a big Can-Am X3 and I'm running through the trails. There's a puddle. Ooh, I could stand over here. Oh God, I'm in a white sweater. This is probably not a good idea. I can't see what I'm looking at. Okay, there we go.
Here, try another one. Oh my goodness!
What's that guy?
Where's a good... Aha! I will use a stick. Are you ready? No. What
See, they don't work.
Yoink.
All right. Being my channel, and it's been a long time since I put that thing in some mud. I think I'm gonna try it one mud hole.
Give the people what they want.
But I don't want to go with.
You don't have to be in the mud.
Yeah, no, you can help me record it from the outside.
Yee.
What I hate from outside the X3, we can't even get in.
For real though.
Whoa.
Oh no, we're being chased.
Is that you wanted or not?
All right, yeah, let's be careful around the mud. It's slick. Ooh, it's a dead butterfly. I'm taking that with me.
What is it?
It's a butterfly. Oh God, I almost just fell into the mud hole. All right, let's go.
It's so cute. Go load it.
Jump on in, the mud's fine. Heck yeah! Man, I want to watch Willy Wonka now. There's a Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I don't know. One's Johnny Depp and one's like the original. Alright. So let's see. There's a bunch of mud. And there's no mud inside. She does what she does.
Like one or two little driblets.
Is there? Oh, there is! I don't want to open the door. I don't want to undo the zipper. It'll be fine. I hope I don't fall backward when I walk backward. Oh, damn. Oh, no. Oh, God. There goes my white shoes.
Sending her through the mud, round 2. Hopefully I don't put my finger in front of it this time. So the seal by the windshield isn't quite all that. But the enclosure did work very well. It just got some minor water splashage. Oh my goodness.
No, it's not.
It just twitched.
Is it really?
Yeah.
Hey, bud.
It just went so fast. Why don't you go sit it down on top of that dirt hill, Alice?
Yeah.
Right there, right there.
Never forget to check for a pulse. My bad.
Well, if you look at the outside of the machine and then you look at the inside of the machine, you can definitely tell that the enclosure helped a lot, and it is significantly warmer in there. I'm going to end this video here, tell you that if you can afford it, the full hard doors is the way to go. I want to get all this mud off here before it gets dark. It's already cold, and I don't want my nice new doors being mud stained. So yeah, that's the end of the video. Hope y'all enjoyed it. Go support Kemimoto. Buy one of these enclosures. It's going to be great for if we ever get snow here and if when it gets super cold. It actually has me wanting to go ride. I haven't wanted to hit a mud hole in a long time because of how cold it is outside. Thanks for watching, y'all. Take care.